Hello students, today we are going to start our new chapter, The Great Indian Desert. As in the previous chapters, you have covered another major physical divisions of Indian subcontinent. They were the northern plains and the northern Himalayan range. In this chapter, we are going to talk about the Great Indian Desert. In this chapter, we will cover the location of the desert, climatic conditions, geographical conditions, the vegetation cover of the desert. As on the screen, you can clearly see the orange portion is the Thar Desert. It is situated to the west of northern plains and in the state of Rajasthan. It is also called Thar Desert. It covers almost three-fifths of the state. To the northeast of this desert, the Satluj River basin is situated. To the northwest, Aravali range of hill is situated. To the south of Thar Desert, Rann of Kutch is situated. To the west, Indus River basin, which is a part of Pakistan. Climatic condition of Thar Desert: it is extremely hot. Days are hot, nights are cold because sand gets heated quickly in the daytime and similarly it gets cool in the night time. In the winter, days are warm but nights are extremely cold. Dry winds blow throughout the year. In local language, they are called lu or heat strokes. The geographical conditions of the desert, as you can see in this photograph, you will see large portion of Thar Desert is covered with sand, rocks and pebbles. Even on the next page you will see the image of small hills of sand which are called sand dunes. They are temporary in nature and are formed by movement of sand from one place to another because of strong winds. Here is the image of sand dunes. You can see the small hills of sand on your screen. Desert has shortage of water. However, at some places underground water in form of springs comes up to the surface and form a small water body known as oasis, which you can see in the second photograph. Trees like date palm and figs grow around them because of the availability of water. What is the means of transport in the desert? Why camels are called sheep of the desert? They have padded feet so that they can walk on sand easily. They can survive without water for many days. Both these conditions are suitable and favorable for the people living in the desert. There are not many plants found in the desert. There are very selected plants which grow and survive in those harsh climatic conditions. They are cactus, date palm, and acacia.